Now the next step is to connect the wiring into these two. So to do that, we want to, for example, this one pair, get it away. So for the 01, we want to plug the 01 in here, and then put this in, and then clamp it there, and then connect it, and then put the fuse on the top. That's what we are trying to do. So get it off. Try to clamp. Clamp one part to the plastic. Okay, and the other side just clamp to the wiring. There we go. That's that. I'm gonna push it, push it. Push it up a bit. Push it halfway, just like protect this. It's like this, and then you want to push this straight. Okay. Then push this there to cover the whole thing. And tie. That's how it looks like. Now we successfully connect to these two fuse tapping cable.